I finally finished working on my example junk journal I put together using one of my mystery junk journal kits. And I thought I would go ahead and do a real quick flip through for you guys. If you're interested in seeing the contents of one of the mystery kits, and they'll all be different because they're mystery kits, but you can find that video in the playlist and you can check that out and see that. I also did some videos of decorating this cover and making the dividers, so if you want to see those, you can check those out. But here is the journal. I have this cover. I used scrapbook paper that came with the kit and stickers and just scrap pieces from when I was trimming down pages for inside. And then on the back, I used a picture and some more scrapbook pages, and then I trimmed the edge. In the video, I used glue, a glue stick, to stick my stuff together, and then later I ordered double-sided tape. Double-sided tape works so much better. I actually had to go back and fix this back cover because it was peeling off, but now that I put the tape on, it's staying good. So I would recommend using double-sided tape, and I will link the double-sided tape I got below. I got from Amazon, and it's working great, and I still have a lot left over. So okay, I took some paper and I put it on as the back, and I created a pocket, and then you have these lovely cards and stuff you can put in. And here's a divider. I divided this notebook into 3 sections. I wanted a month-long planning section, and then this is weekly and daily planning, and then each of these tabs are a week in the month, and then the last tab is just kind of a miscellaneous make notes section. So here's the divider I made, and then here is the month-long plan. Originally I thought about gluing this down to a page so that it would look like this, but then I kind of like the back side of it, like what you love, and I decided, okay, I'll just make it a page that you can flip back and forth. So that was fun. I like that. Here I covered up the month that it was and the days using the washi tape, and now it's ready to go for whatever month you want to use it for. So if you have old planners that you just didn't use a section, you can reuse them for this. Okay, and the next page. The mystery kit I opened had this page: currently, loving, feeling, enjoying, anticipating, wishing, reading, watching, and planning. I thought that was a fun little thing to look at the beginning of the month, but you could also come back to throughout the month. And then this was another page that was in there called the mini book reviews, and I thought, oh, that would be nice to just write down what books you've read throughout the month and give it a real quick review. Then it had some financial pages, and so I put this one in here, and then also a weekly spending, but you could use it for the month, just depending on how you want to use it. I thought those were fun. And then the last part of the month-long planning, there was this other month calendar, but it was 2-sided, and so I thought this could be used for planning the next month. You could write in the dates and then anything that you needed to write down so you don't forget what's happening next month. You can put that there. And a coloring page. You could just color on that whenever you feel like it. And then I put together this next divider for the weekly, daily section. And it just kind of had a notes page if you just wanted to jot some stuff down, more notes, however you want to use it. And then here's the first weekly spread. This one did have dates on it, so I had to go through and use washi and other things to cover up the dates on it. But now it's ready to go for whatever week you'd want to use it for. And then here are the daily ones. So when I put it together, I glued together 2 or 3 sheets of paper to make it more sturdy, so that if you wanted to paint on it or watercolor on it or use a lot of marker on it, it won't bleed through and it will be just fine on that. And so here's one day, here's an actual daily page that came with the kit. And then I had this little writing at the bottom of the coloring page, and I just thought it was fun, so I put at the bottom of that. Here's another day. I ended up using just like a lot of the scrap edges of when I trimmed pages for like, the divider pages. So I had all these scraps and I used those, but I also used like a sticker and some washi for that. And so you'll kind of see that's just kind of how I did it. And so it's set up, ready to go, but it's also available to have a lot added to it as you would journal throughout the month. Here's another one with a card. Here's the second week. And into the daily spreads. So in the Junk Journal Mystery Kit, there'll be daily spreads in there, but there aren't enough for every day of the month. So I thought it would be fun to just kind of have some quick designs ready to go, but then also use those dailies in there throughout the time. Here's the third week. I thought this was kind of fun, flipping the cards this way so it has two flips. I don't know. I thought that was fun. And here's the fourth weekly spread. Here's the fifth weekly spread. This one is just one sheet, but it will do the trick. So I just kind of added this extra page in here. That was part of it, and I thought that might be good there because my weekly spreads were 2 pages, and so I wanted to keep with that. And here are the dailies. And then here's the last section, kind of the miscellaneous notes section. And I try to make it so it could just be used for whatever. And there you go. Okay. So I had some things left over. I still had washi left over. I didn't use all of that. So I still have those. And there were still some stickers I didn't use. So I stuck them in the back to be used as journaling happened. These are, the number is not 2021, but the numbers look so cool that I thought I'd hold on to that. So I just tucked that in the back pocket to be used whenever. And then there was a page that had all the months written out. So I made a little pocket with some extra paper I had. And I cut out all the months because I thought on the monthly spread, I could just glue on whatever month this journal is used for. And I would have a really pretty month that I could type. I would have a really, how do I want to say it? I would have a really cute looking month tag for that calendar. So those are in a pocket in the back. So there it is. That was the junk journal example I put together with the mystery junk journal kit. And I am going to have this journal with the items in the pockets and these 2 washi tapes available for purchase in the shop. So if you're interested in buying one, a mystery junk journal kit and making your own, you can purchase those in the shop as well. They come with the pages and a composition notebook. And you can watch videos on example of the contents and how I use them. But here's an example of what I put together. And this one is available for purchase in the shop. So I hope you guys liked it. If you end up putting one together yourself, please post your pictures and tag me, because I'd like to see how you guys use the kits and what your journals look like. But I will see you guys next time. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.